Okay, how to boost a post. Now I'm going to explain how to boost a post. This is my Facebook page, and just 10 minutes back, I have posted three creatives as a post. So, see, you can see all different types of posts in this page. Okay, so this is one post, and this is another post. And if you drag down, you can see the n number of posts. For every post, you can see this boost post option. Okay, for every post, you can able to see the boost post option. So see, this is one more post, right? So now I want to boost this post. Okay, so this is digital apps classes for women. So in collaboration with Comforyu Foundation, and fee structure is 2,300. Something I have created this poster, and now I want to boost this post, right? So now click on this boost post. Okay, click on boost post. Okay, so when you click on boost post, you will land up in this page. Okay, and right side you will see the ad preview. Okay, whatever the ad you are going to do, whatever the post you are going to post, that ad preview you will see right side, right? So this is the content I wrote for this post. Okay, and this is the creative. So now by default it will show the sign up button. Okay, this is the creative, this is the content, and this is my website already linked with this page. So that is why it is showing here. Whatever you link the website and all those things, it will show up in your ads when you create these campaigns, right? So now this is the sign up button. By default, it will show sign up button only. First step is we need to select the button, right? So sign up button you have already seen. So now you need to select which button suits to this campaign, right? You can see n number of buttons, book now button. So if you feel that book now button is suitable for this campaign, you can select book now button. 1 minute. Yeah. Learn more. So if you want to redirect your customers to the website where they can learn, they can know different things about your business. They can get full details about your business, or if you give some more details, clicking on learn more button, if they can able to get some more details, so you can give learn more button, shop now button. So if it is a e-commerce, if you are going to sell any product, okay, and you are boosting that post, then you can select shop now button, sign up button, send message button, send WhatsApp button, and call now button, right? So now I am going to select any of the button you can select. Now I am going to select send message button. When you click on send message button, okay, so what you will do is wait. It will show the preview in the under this creative. It will now show. So under the creative, you will see send message button. When people, your customer services, when they want to know more about this creative or this post, if they click on send message, they can able to send a message in your messenger and Instagram both at a time, right? And if you want to get messages even in WhatsApp also, then click on connect. For my suggestion is these two are enough. Anyhow, your Facebook will be on your phone, right? So when somebody tries to send a message, immediately you will get a notification. WhatsApp, okay, directly if you want to get a WhatsApp message from your customer, if you are interested, then you can connect your WhatsApp business number to this campaign, right? So one condition is the WhatsApp number should be a business WhatsApp number. Then only you can be able to connect here, right? Click here. Now, say I have two numbers, right? So this is one number. I'm trying to connect this number, but this is not a WhatsApp business number. See, I will not be able to connect here. Click here. Yeah, it will show it should be a WhatsApp business number. Cancel. Now I'm changing to other number. Okay. For this, I have WhatsApp business. Now I'm clicking on confirm. It will verify. So to verify if this number belongs to you or not, Facebook will send a code to your WhatsApp number. So now I'm going to type the code here. 1 minute. You will receive the code to your WhatsApp only, not to the direct phone message, right? Okay. Okay. Click here. Within this time limit, you need to connect that WhatsApp number, right? So now this is a preview, right? So this is the preview. Okay, preview of the ad. Google related apps, Google Drive, Calendar, whatever I want to give the information to the people, just I have mentioned here, and this is a creative, and this is a button. So now your customers can send message directly to your messenger, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, or your WhatsApp. Okay.